Hey guys, welcome back. In last video, we have seen how we can use or customize themes. Now, in this video, we are going to understand how we can adjust the size on a screen. For example, we have this widgets column. Here we have a container. I'm using 3 container, equal height 200, one having green color, second having a blue color, third having a red color. You see that these 3 containers are taking a space, but some white space are remaining here. Means we want to fill this gap. So to fill the extra gap, or to you can say extend the size of a particular widget, or to assign a extra customization to the widgets, we have a 3 kind of widgets like extended, we have a flexible, we have a spacer. So how we can use 3 and what are the difference between these 3, that we are going to understand. Suppose in these 3 widgets of container, this widget may be button, this widget may be anything. I'm just giving example on container because I can show the color also here and you can easily visualize the concept. So here suppose in these 3 means container, I want to distribute the screen height in equal portion. So how I can do? Suppose if I say 300 pixel, for example, I can say 300, I say 300, I say here also 300. For example, I just say control and see, you see it going out of the screen. 88 pixel. If I reduce these 88 pixels, but maybe the size of this phone is like this, other phone size is also there, they have different sizes. So how automatically we can adjust these 3 container, the equal portion of a screen? For that I can put this particular container under the extended container. For that I have to click on the container and Alt and enter. It will say just wrap the expanded like this. Same I do for container this. I say Alt enter, wrap with extended. Same I do for container third also, Alt enter and wrap with expanded. Just save and refresh. You will see automatically the equal portion of the screen is divided among all these 3 containers. You see automatically. If I change this column to row, you see I say row, R capital, I say row, and once again I just say save and refresh the screen. You see all are divided in an equal portion of a row because height is 300 pixel. That's why if I remove the height, automatically you will see if I remove this height, press, you see it will take the complete space of the height like this, and they are having a 300 pixel of height. It depends on you what size you want to give. I'm just giving a demo here. So again I just give the height and I say 300 I want here. So you see, so equal portion size in row also and in column also. Now this is expanded. Once again I change to column. Okay, just to give more example, suppose I want the first container should take double space of these 2. For that we have a extra facility here. I say flex and I say 2. Remember that by default all the extended widgets have value of flex is 1. That means in 3 portion this screen will divide and all the expanded widgets have a equal size. But if I say expanded flex 2, here I am saying that the first container will take double space of these 2. As I control S, and you will see that these 2 having a certain size and this container 1 having a double size of this. If same you want to put to the third container, you can do like this also. You say flex, I say 2, means first and third will have equal size and remaining size will be distributed to the second container. Remember that second container having suppose 100 pixel of height, then this having a 200 pixel. So they have a double size of this. So this is the use of extended. Now in place of extended, suppose I use here flexible. So I say Alt enter and you see flexible is also there. I don't say wrap, I have to replace this. So I say flexible like this. If I say press enter, you see flexible, some size, some screen, white screen is coming here. You see, I show you what is the difference between this. Once again, I say here flexible. Once again, Control S, you see the remaining flexible is there, then no changes there. Once again, the third is also, I am just extending this flexible. So in place of extended, now I am using flexible in all the container. You see remaining size is there. Why? Because I am saying here that 300 and 300. If suppose I reduce the size of third to 100, Control S I say, you see flexible is good, is okay. but it have a one change as compared to extended, that you see in flexible I can give height also, and according to height it will take the size also. See, there is a difference between flexible and expanded. Suppose in place of flexible I say expanded like this and Control S, and you will see that this expanded will cover all the space that is given. So this expanded automatically cover all the space of a screen, but flexible, suppose I say once again flexible, remember it also have the restriction to 100, it take this. If I remove this, suppose I am not giving here height, I say press, you see it equivalent to expanded, means if I am not giving any height, it behave like a expanded. But if some size I want to give, so it can adjust the screen size automatically. Suppose here I say height is 400 like this, suppose. So you see it does not destroy the screen, means if you are giving a large height but this height is not available in the screen, so it would not overflow the screen, it will adjust in the remaining space, remember. And if I say here, suppose it's 100, so it can reduce as per your choice, it reduce here. But here suppose we do not have a height on the first container, but I have a height on the third, so you see automatically it take the size as per the flexibility I am providing here. Second, and if I remove this flexibility also, I'm removing this flexibility, you see it will take space equivalent to this, and it is reducing the space. But if I remove this flexibility and I run this, you see all are taking a equal space, but this taking 100 of height, because I'm reducing the size of this height to 100. But suppose 300 and I give here 300 also, remember, you see this container is going out of the screen, but we do not having an error, because automatically flexible is adjusting the size of the screen to the remaining size is available. Suppose here I am saying 400, for example. Suppose I give height here also, I say height is 100, for example. This is 100, this is 100, this is 300, this is 400. That means it's giving a, as you are assigning the height. But if you are assigning a large height, suppose I want this should be 200 and this should be 400 and this should be 600, for example. But as per the screen size, this size is not available or having a small screen, so automatically it show like this. If I increase this to 800, so automatically it adjusts to the screen size available. Remember that it not destroying the screen, because 200 is there, 400 is there, 800 is there. Now if I say this to 400, you see cover, and automatically it give the equal size 400 and remaining size which is available goes to this. So mean is here that flexible also take your instructions to have a height whatever you are giving, and plus it having a flexible property as we have in expanded, it do not destroy your screen. If I say 2 here, 200 here, so it give 200 to this, is give 400 to this, and it also giving 400 to this, is not giving 800 because this screen is not available here. Remember that is the beauty of flexible. Now here one more thing is there. If you're using a flexible and there is some space is there, you want to give, you want to fill this space, the space is giving, you want to fill, so you can give here spacer like this, and I save this, and you will see that spacer automatically adjust the screen size to this, and it give the space between these. If I put this spacer between these flexible component here, you will see that it will fill the space between these two, equal space. You see equal size, automatically size reduce, and it giving a spacer also, size also. Suppose if I remove this container central one, and then I press this, you see that spacer giving a space between these two container, and one container is on the top and one container is at the bottom. So if such kind of thing you want to display, means you want some container on the top, some you want to put on the bottom, then you can use a spacer also. Means spacer is to give a certain space between two container. Suppose once again I say Control Z, means remaining container I want to have this, save this, then automatically it have a central container, and before this we have a space, and after this we have a space. This space we can adjust also, this space we can adjust also. I think we have a flex here. Suppose I say flex is 1 here, and this flexible having a flex value to 2. Remember, See this, and this also having a flex value to 2, means the size I want to double to this, and I say press here, and you will see that automatically the size of first container is double of the center one, size of last one is also double of the center one, and we have a space as per the center one. But if I say the center flex having a space of third, means I want 3 triple space of above, you see, so this size is also increasing, remember, and automatically spacer is giving a space between these. So such kind of adjustment of a screen, you can say space or screen adjustment, or you can designing your layout as per your requirement. So we have expanded, flexible and spacer widgets, so you can use these. And one more thing we also have, I have explained in previous video also, that is called size box. So in place of this, suppose I say size box, here I can give height also, how much size I want to provide. Suppose I want to provide size of only 20 height, 20 pixels of height, you see, like this I can give here such kind of height, or here automatically spacer is coming. If you don't want to use a spacer, you can use this size box also. I like this much because it give you the space whatever you want, is just depend on you what kind of spacing you want between these two widgets. So you can assign with the help of size box also. So spacer is there, size box is there, and flexible is there, expanded is there, lots of widgets for spacing provided in Flutter. So as per your requirement, as per your flexibility, as per your knowledge, or you can say as per your you can say likability of regarding any component, you can use these widgets in your application. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching this.